Hi guys, how's it going? Road & Builds here, and if you clicked on this video, there's a high chance you're either a bricklaying apprentice or a DIYer who's looking to do a bit of bricklaying in your own house. Also, all you bricklayers out there who clicked on this as well, this is important to you as well. Okay, so today what I'm going to talk about is the BDA Guide to Successful Brickwork. Now, this book helped me massively, I mean massively, throughout my college years. 3 years in college I spent doing my bricklaying apprenticeship, and also for any of you DIYers out there who want to learn a bit more, this is a fantastic book. And also to bricklayers out there, keep this in your truck if you're ever worried about something, or if you can't remember how something goes, because there's a lot of stuff to learn in this trade. Then this is your Bible. I have spoken about this book before, but we've had it was probably sort of what, maybe a year and a half ago, a year ago that I made that video. So I thought I'd make another updated one to sort of notify everyone, just to show you all what this book is and what it's all about. So I've started waffling already, so I'll put 2 minutes on the clock down here, and I'm just going to give you the 2-minute crash course in this book. So let's go. Okay, so it's called the BDA Guide to Successful Brickwork by the Brick Development Association. This is the 3rd edition. There is a new edition out. I say new, I think it's been out for a few years, but basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to link both of them down below. First off the bat, there's just so much information here, it's unreal. I'll give you the quick lowdown. So to start with, obviously contents, you have one thing that I think is very important, very interesting, especially when learning, is the glossary of terms. Now this will tell you, like for example, what's an autoclave? Who the hell knows what an autoclave is? There you go, now you know what it is. Basically there's 3 or 4 pages, and in fact there's 5 or 6 or 7 pages, basically telling you what each term in bricklaying means. And then it goes on to sort of the beginning parts of bricklaying. It's just telling you how to lay out bricks, how to put in DPC, how to set your bricks out on your boards, etc, etc. Why you need to take bricks from 3 different pallets when loading out. And also in here, I just glossed past it, it shows corner blocks made of wood. Now, if you missed that video, in the description, I made corner blocks out of wood. This book tells you should do it, well it doesn't actually tell you should do it, it just shows you what a corner block is, but they're made of wood. So there you go, just goes to show plastic ones are rubbish. The BDA Guide to Successful Brickwork is showing wooden blocks. Anyway, we're probably getting close to 2 minutes already. So you can move through that, and in the back, obviously an index, all the good parts, it will tell you about what is this here. Cool, that wall's on the wonk. Sulfates, you've got chimneys here. Some nice chimneys at, where is that? Nice chimneys at Hampton Court Palace. If you're in the area, the sort of Surrey area, sort of lower London area, go and have a look at Hampton Court. I tell you what, they have got some incredible brickwork there. Oh look, oh, circular chimney. That's not a bad idea. Corbelling, that's something I need to read up on about corbelling. So if you are interested in learning, oh look, bullseyes, it tells you how to do bullseyes, it tells you how to do arches, all the good stuff. Again, corbelling, there's just everything you'll ever need in here. Now the reason that I'm saying this is so good is because when you're at college, I bought this probably about 3 months before I started college, and I read it 2 or 3 times, no joke, maybe not word for word all the way through, but I sort of flicked through and read as much of it as I could to let it sink into my brain before I went to college. Now I ended up coming out of college with a distinction in brickwork. I also won an award, and then I went to go on and win Skill Build. Now I put all this down to reading this book and being prepared before I went into college. This Bible, I will call it the Bricklaying Bible, this will tell you everything you need. This is basically a condensed version of well, it's not even condensed, it's just in writing. It's basically 3 years at college. Everything in here you learn at college, it's in this book. So DIY, if you don't want to go to college for 3 years to learn how to build a garden wall, this will tell you how to do it. If you're at college and you want to be a better bricklayer, this will tell you how to do it. If you're a bricklayer and you don't want to forget anything and you want to keep reminding yourself, this is what you want. I'll tell you what, best 20 quid I ever spent. I think it was 20 quid, something along those lines. Now the reason that I wanted to talk to you about this book was because recently, since sort of like November time, I've had quite a few messages, comments saying I'm an apprentice, I'm going in to do my first year of college, or I'm in my first year of college, have you got any tips for me? Now these videos hopefully are helping you all out doing that, but obviously I can't do all these videos in a short amount of time. It takes me a while to set them up, prep them, get them ready, film them, edit them, etc, etc. So if you want some tips from me in the short term, before I start uploading these videos, because I'll get around to all these videos eventually, this you can read through this in a few days. I can't tell you, I can't make a video about everything in this book in 3 days. You could read it at your leisure in 3 days. You could probably go through it in an afternoon, but to take it in, I'd say read it a couple of times. Okay guys, we'll leave it there. If you do want to get your hands on one of these books, then I'll leave links down in the description. They are Amazon affiliate links, so if you do decide to purchase through them, Amazon gives me a little kickback, and it's an absolute no extra cost to you. So those links will be down there. I'll link the 3rd edition, the one that I've got, and also the newer 4th edition, so have a look down there. With that being said, thank you very much for watching. Please do leave a like down below if you've enjoyed this video, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. So take care, and I'll see you then. Ta-ra. This needs a bloody clean, this does. Oh. Alright, let's start talking to the camera, not the bloody wall. So, I need to clean this up. This video is going to be, most of it is going to be me waiting for airplanes to go past. Hi guys, how's it going? What was the next line? It's then, so thanks for subscribing. Cool, that was proper cringe. Tell you what guys, we've been having an influx of subscribers coming in. We just passed the 8,000, well I say just passed, we're sort of almost at 9,000 now. It's going quite quickly. So, this is not something I'll normally look forward to, or not something I pay much attention to when you get to certain milestones. I had a milestone at 100 and I made a bit of a deal out of it. Had a milestone at 1,000, made a bit of a deal out of it. It seems like it's working in multiples of 10. So, multiples of 10? I think it's multiples of 10. So when we get to 10,000, I have got something big I want to show you guys. And I mean big, I mean I'm so goddamn excited about this that I want to show you all now, but I'm waiting to 10k. So tell your mum, tell your dad, tell your gran, tell all your friends, get those subscribers coming in, and at 10,000 I'm going to unveil something that I'm so goddamn excited about. So stick around. I guess that's the end of it. So yeah, take care, and I'll see you Friday for another how-to video. So take care, and I'll see you then. Ta-ra.